What's up, everybody? Welcome to Hop LA Events on Tap.
Episode 89.
Covering all the awesome things happening in LA beer this week. And this week, we're coming at you guys from the LA Beer Week Kickoff Festival. It actually just wrapped up.
What remains of it?
But we had an awesome time here. Thank you so much to everybody that came around and said what up to us, bought some shirts, showed us some love. We love you guys.
Yeah, so great meeting all of you. And we're not done for LA Beer Week. We have plenty of events that we're attending that we'd love to see you guys at.
Yep. Plenty of LA Beer Week events to talk about this week, but we want to get into the beer that we're featuring this week, and is the very special beer brewed for LA Beer Week. That's right, Unity.
So this year's batch of Unity was brewed by Claremont Craft Ales out in Claremont, and this is an 8.5% traditional style double IPA, Citra, Simcoe, Mosaic, and you don't get much better with that batch of hops. I can't wait to crack this open, man. This is the ultimate celebration of LA beer.
So without further ado, let's just crack it open. I might just drink this out of the can.
Should. West Coast Double IPA. Let's grab the nose. Yeah, a little bit sweet. You got a little bit of citrus on it. Let's give it a whirl.
Crowbars up.
Yeah, I mean, they weren't lying. Like, super dry double IPA,
dry,
West Coast
bitter,
style. Yeah.
Dank.
Yeah, a little bit of like citrus. Yeah, a little citrus tropical.
This is good.
Balanced very, very well.
Unity.
Drinkable as fuck.
Yeah, and you can find this beer all over town throughout the rest of the week. So make sure you find some Unity, grab some cans, grab some on draft. It's fantastic beer.
Cheers to LA beer.
Let's get right into the events for this week, and it's all about LA Beer Week. We're just gonna run through what we're excited about this
Rapid
week.
fire style. Let's do it.
Let's do it. All right, kicking it off Tuesday, June 18th at 6 p.m. at the Hi-Hat in Highland Park. It is the always awesome Battle of the Bands. It's where all of your local brewery bands get together and face off in an epic showdown of who is the better brewery band.
Dude, there's some awesome musicians in the LA Brewers Guild and all these breweries, and we highly recommend you pick up tickets. Then on Wednesday, the 19th, starting at 6 p.m., it is a special pizza and beer event happening at the Slice and Pint, El Segundo's pizza and beer location in El Segundo. So they pulled together a bunch of certified cicerones who are experts at pairing beer with food, and they put together the ultimate pizza and beer tasting, and you're gonna really want to check this out. No tickets needed for this. Just head down to the Slice and Pint, drink and eat.
You get much better than
Do
that.
what you need to do.
All right, next up, Thursday, June 20th, 6 p.m. at Naja's in Redondo Beach. It's the Battle of the Guilds. That's right, San Diego's coming up, San Francisco's coming down, and it's a battle of the three. Always ends with an LA win. Naja's always blows it out. One of our favorite events of the week. Make sure to check this one out.
Yes. Then on Friday at 7 p.m., it is BFE Fest at Wolf Creek Brewery out in Valencia. And this is basically an LA beer fest only focusing on the perimeter breweries. So all the breweries that might be too far for you to drive to or too far for you to Uber to, they're all going to be in this one place for you to try them all. We're also going to be on site with our booth selling some merch, so we'd love to see you guys there. Buy your tickets online right this second. Do it now.
All right, also on Friday at 5 p.m. at the Glendale Tap, it's a very special Brewery Bonanza Fest they're throwing with some very special breweries. Ones like Homage, Bottle Logic, Hudson Valley from out of town, State, Highland Park. Yeah, a lot of good breweries going to be on tap for this one. Glendale Tap always does it right, so make sure to check that one out too.
All right, last but not least, Saturday, the 22nd, starting at 12:30, it is Sour Friends Fest going down at Celador Ales in North Hills. So this is our backyard brewery. We're in the valley. We have to be there. So we'll be set up there with a booth, and it is an event with the best sour beer producers in Southern California, plus a couple special guests. I'm not gonna tell you the beer list. You're gonna have to hunt that down yourself. Head over to hopla.com/events. It's right there at the very top. You should buy your tickets right this instant. This is gonna be, if you like sour beers, you have to be here. Done.
So that does it for this quick episode of Events on Tap. We'll go back to drinking this Unity beer that you should be picking up ASAP, and we'll see you around LA Beer Week. Drink indie
and drink local.